Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a birthday video in Capcut. Of course, the popular video editing app. So birthday are a special occasion filled with joy and celebrations. And creating a personalized video is a wonderful way to commemorates the day or remember the day. So with CapCut's versatile feature and tools, you can easily create a birthday video that captures the essence of the occasion. So let's dive right into it and learn how to create a birthday video in CapCut in 2023 and get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening your CapCut website or even app in your PC. Of course, you can go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with, and type simply capcut.com and hit the enter button. And here, make sure to go and sign up for an account, or if you have an account, simply go and log in into it. If you have like some saved templates in your CapCut. Of course, you can even go and find like some templates here if you want to. As you can see, video templates, image templates, you can find a lot from here, but we don't care about this. Of course, you can use CapCut in the browser, as you can see, by clicking on this edit video outline or online, sorry. So you can have to log in into my account. I don't care at the moment, and simply upload your videos or pictures here to start arranging your everything. But of course, it may lack some feature or some features. I don't know exactly. And of course, let's just go back. But what I advise you to do is simply go and download it for your Windows or your PC, which much better. And that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the CapCut website or sorry app. So let me just go and open it up. And here, make sure to go and log in into your account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, just go and create a new one and log in into it. Of course, what this will benefit for us. Of course, if you are logged into your account, any saved template will be saved to your account. And if you open the same account on your PC, another PC example, and the browser and your phone, you will have your template there ready, and you will be able to make some edits on it and even explore it in your export it sorry in your PC or even your browser or your phone. So for you, once you're logged into your account, you can click on new projects, and here we'll simply have to go and import our, as an example, birthday picture. So let's just click on import, and let's say as an example, I'm just going to import those pictures, and yeah, click on OK and import even more like from my pictures here. Go to save and import all of those, and let's say that those are the pictures of my birthday. I'm just going to add them like that. No need to drag them down. And let's say, yeah, let's say those are the pictures of my birthday. So what we will need, of course, to give it is, let's just give it an audio. Of course, let's just give it a birthday song. Let's just click on the enter button. And as you can see, they are loading the resource. So simply you can click on it. And here, if this song is good for you, if it's good, you can simply go and add it to your timeline simply. So you can go and hear all of those. And simply you can go and add whatever suits you. So as an example, this suits me. So simply I'll have to add it to the timeline here. Make it smaller, of course, not this one. Like that. Let's make it, let's just click on the music here and go to the volume, make it smaller a bit so it's, yeah, so it will not be annoying. And here, of course, it's the time. Of course, we can go and even add some text. As an example, we can even go and add like some random texts like hello. We can go and add hello as an example here, or hello, and let's just add another text. Let's just go and add another text. Of course, we can add it to the same of the same time that we added the other text, or we can add this after. And on this text, I'm just going to type like here, congrats, and simply let's just go here, as example, and add some stickers. Let's just add like I don't know. Let's just go for love stickers and add this sticker. Of course, download this and add it. Simply, I'm just going to add it here. I'm going to effects, and I'm going to add like, I don't know, some good effects. Maybe let's just this shake effects. Why not? As you can see, I'm just going to add it here as an example. Make it bigger. And transitions, of course, you can go and add some transitions between the pictures. So we can add one here. Click on OK. Let's just add this one here. Let's just add this one here. Let's just add this one here. Add this one here. This one here. This one here. This one here. And of course, we can go to filters now and add, like, as an example, nature filter. Why not? You can go make it bigger. Add it here. And here we are. We can even go and add some custom adjustments if you want to. Of course, once we're done, as an example, we added our audio, our text, our stickers, our effects. We can go in everything and check if everything is working correctly. Go to full screen and start the video and see if everything is working correctly. So let's say, or let's just pretend those are the pictures of the birthday party or of our friends or something like that, and check if everything is correct. As you can see, so here's our transactions, here's our effects and a lot of other stuff. So check if everything here is good. And as you can see, of course, you can even go to the next second if you want to, or you can simply just wait for the video until it's finished. It should not take a lot of time. As you can see, we can see all our transactions are working correctly, our effects and etc. So that's normally it. And of course, if you see like something is not working correctly, or you want to adjust, like as an example, go to text, you can adjust the place of it. You can give it another color if you want to. You can go and give it a style if you want to. You can change the font size. You can change the font even. As an example, we just choose this font. We can go and give it an animation. The text also, we can give it an animation. We'll just give it like a 2-second animation. And here we can go and change, as an example, this the place of this sickle or so. So sorry. I just need this sticker to change the place of the sticker. We can change the scale of it again. And even the position, we can even rotate it if you want to. So we can do a lot of stuff here. The same will be with the effects. We can edit the strength of it, the speed of it. Of course, every effects has its own features that we can change. Of course, the same will do with filters. So let's just go and lower the strength. And of course, we can always again and see if it's working. So click on the full screen and preview everything that you did. Check if it's correctly shown here. If it's not, you can always go back and edit it. And of course, you will not hear the birthday party music, but I'm adding it here. And of course, I'm hearing it. But for you, of course, once you finish, you can simply go and hit the export button. You'll be able to change the title, even to edit the cover from something from the video, or you can go and update something from your PC. As an example, I'm just going to download here. I'm just going to get this as the cover. Click on edits, click on complete, and as you can see, this will be the cover. You can, for you, go and add like the picture of the person that has the birthday party. Give it a title. I'm just going to give it a test and change the video exporting like settings, like there's a resolution, bitrate, codec, and a lot of other stuff. Click on export, and once it's exported, you'll be able to share it to your TikTok, YouTube, groups, and a lot of other stuff. So that will be it. If you reach this point of this video, congratulations. Birthdays are a special moment that deserves to be celebrated in a unique and personal way. With Capcut, you can create a beautiful and customized birthday videos that captures the essence of the occasion. Of course, by following these steps to import like your media, arrange your everything here, you'll be able to create a stunning birthday video that will be cheered or valued for years to come. So thank you for joining us today. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.